Hello and welcome. I'm Ed O'Farrell, and this is a Real Assets Advisor Hot Minute. Today, we're going to spend a hot minute or so with Ben Sayer. Ben is the Alternative Investments Group Head at MAI Capital. MAI is a Cleveland, Ohio-based multifamily office overseeing in excess of $30 billion of client assets. Welcome, Ben.
Hey Ed, happy to be here.
Ben, you ready for a hot minute?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Hometown and where you currently reside.
Lucas, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio.
Alma mater and college major.
University of Akron, go Zips, and finance.
First job as a kid.
Busboy at Bob Evans in Mansfield, Ohio.
First job as a professional.
Mortgage servicing at JP Morgan Chase.
Okay. What are the characteristics of an alternative investment that make it a good fit for the MAI platform?
First of all, it has to have a great risk-adjusted return. And then secondly, some level of unique access or exposure. And then thirdly, an area where we can use the size and scale of MAI Capital to drive fee savings back to our clients.
Okay. Is there an alternative investment thesis out there that you've recently changed your mind on?
I would say hedge funds. Originally, we put those in the too complicated and too opaque bucket for our clients. But recently, we've met quite a few groups that we believe have sustainable advantages and actually make sense in our client portfolios.
Okay. The one investment opportunity you're really glad you passed on.
I won't name any names, but there's been a number of consumer brands that have driven growth strictly through excess marketing spend and have no defensible moat whatsoever.
Okay. There's no shortage of choices for high net worth and ultra high net worth individuals and families when it comes to wealth managers. Why do you believe these folks should be considering MAI?
MAI sets a standard of excellence across all of our practice areas, whether it's investments, financial planning, tax, or any of the other financial services that we provide as a multifamily office experience. And so you're truly getting an expert in every single one of those areas by working with MAI.
Okay. Talent or useless talent you possess that most folks don't know you have.
I fought amateur MMA in college. I went 5-2, so I would say my mixed martial arts skills for
All
sure.
right. One person, dead or alive, who isn't a family member, you'd most like to have dinner with.
I would say my favorite economist, W. Brian Arthur, who is I would say the father of complexity economics, as well as writing numerous papers on areas of increasing marginal returns.
Okay. At what restaurant would you choose to have said dinner at? And what would you order?
I would go with the Dive Bar, XYZ the Tavern, around the corner from me, and I would get the Reuben. It's pretty good.
All right. The Reuben at XYZ Tavern. Sounds pretty good. You can connect with Ben directly on LinkedIn. And for more information on MAI, you can visit mai.capital. On behalf of the team here at Real Assets Advisor, thanks for joining us. We'll see you again next time.